Hi, my name is Tim Byers. I'm a chef, restaurateur, and James Beard award-winning cookbook author. When I first started working with pork rinds, it would have been in that classic way of trying to take skins, go through the rigorous process that it takes in order to get it done. So this is, boiling and slow dehydrating and all this sort of stuff to get that perfect crispy skin. And I met a good friend of mine, Mark Singleton, with Southern Recipe Small Batch. He was a customer of ours. I met him about 10 years ago. And he came in and I was telling him how I've made these attempts and they were really not perfect. And he's like, well, I got a solution for you. These are the pellets that they use when they manufacture rinds and put it in bags. And so if I take these and if I throw them in a 400-degree fryer, they're gonna puff up crisp and they're gonna be great. So he came back in with a handful of pork rinds. We tossed them in the fryer in the back, hauled them out of the oil, seasoned them up with some barbecue seasoning, some stuff that we had there, quickly grabbed a dippable item that I already had in the restaurant, and we had, within probably 5 minutes, a crackling, crunchy, really exceptional appetizer that's perfect for the bar or even kind of the start of a meal. And we had that within a couple of minutes and we weren't even trying that hard. If I can get these out of the fryer, seasoned with a fun spice mix, add some sort of dip and get it out to a table pretty quick, the guests are gonna have a bowl of awesome pork rinds that are still cracking and alive right out of the fire. And I think that's that cook to order thing that really makes a point of difference. And it's exciting.